Introducing Demand Forecasting Analytical App. Welcome to Sparkflows Demand Forecasting App that leverages advanced, data-driven techniques to precisely forecast product demand. With the app, businesses can optimize inventory levels, reduce costs, enhance customer satisfaction, and make informed decisions, ultimately driving profitability and success. Now let's dive deep into live demo, showcasing the impressive functionalities of the Demand Forecasting App in action. Upon opening the Demand Forecasting app, we begin with the introduction stage. Here, you will discover an overview of the app and the valuable business benefits it provides. With time series profiling, one can get a clear picture of how the sales have been behaving over time, making it easier to spot patterns and understand what's driving sales. Users can choose to apply the dataset profiling to a select few or all stores and SKUs. Output of the stage displays visualizing trends, seasonality, and residuals in the dataset that enhances comprehension and aids in forecasting future values. In the next stage, the app presents users with a selection of forecasting models, including Ceramax and Profit, which are trained on the sales data to ensure precise, business-specific forecasts of future values. Both models depict actual versus forecasted data with their corresponding metrics. For the model metrics, a MAPE of 2.01% indicates forecasts differ by 2.01%, while a RMSE of 33.22 suggests forecasts vary by about 33.22 units. These metrics signify the model's high accuracy. For model validation, users begin by uploading their sales data. They then assess the performance of Ceramax and Profit forecasting models by analyzing evaluation metrics. This step ensures accuracy and empowers users to confidently select the best model for daily use, ensuring informed decision-making and enhanced confidence in forecasting outcomes. In the last stage, users choose Ceramax or Profit models and specify the forecast duration. The output provides predicted sales figures with a 95% confidence interval. This detailed forecast empowers users to confidently plan future business strategies. Thank you for exploring Sparkflows Demand Forecasting App. To maximize retail potential, explore Retail Analytics App Store now.